So I'm not sure if that sound came through or not, but this is a 2000 Ford Excursion. I'm sorry, 2000 Ford F350 with the 7.3 diesel. I've got 365,000 miles on it. Now, and it's a manual. I know the sound that I'm hearing is only when I let off the gas and I'm trying to, you know, if I'm going down the road and then let off the throttle or off the pedal, and then it'll give me that chirping sound. And it's not like a squeak. It's not like, and it's not always there. It's only when I let off the throttle, and it's not every time. So I'm trying to figure out what that is. I know I do need to probably get an IDM on this truck, just because it is kind of hard to start, and so that's a symptom that I know that I have. But I think this is a separate issue. So that's what we're looking at, and this is, like I say, a 7.3, 365,000 miles on it, and it just makes that chirping noise when you let off the gas. So if anybody has an idea what that might be, please let me know. Thank you.